How does synaptic pruning affect brain development? Have you ever wondered how the brain decides which connections to keep and which to let go? This process is known as synaptic pruning, and it plays a vital role in brain development. During the early stages of life, the brain creates an abundance of synapses, which are the connections between neurons. This overproduction allows for a rich network that supports learning and adaptation. Starting around the age of 2, the brain begins to prune away these extra synapses. This process continues throughout childhood, adolescence, and even into the late 20s. In fact, it is estimated that the brain removes about half of its synapses during this time. The goal of synaptic pruning is to refine and optimize the brain's neural circuits. Think of it like a garden. The brain keeps the most frequently used synapses, much like a gardener keeps the healthiest plants, while removing those that are rarely activated. This use it or lose it principle strengthens important pathways and makes brain networks more efficient. In early childhood, synaptic pruning happens rapidly, especially between the ages of 2 and 10. During this time, the brain shapes sensory areas first, like the visual cortex, before moving on to higher-order areas such as the prefrontal cortex. The prefrontal cortex is crucial for decision-making, planning, and personality development. As we move into adolescence and early adulthood, pruning continues, but at a slower pace. This fine-tuning helps with cognitive and emotional functions. From the perspective of infant brain growth and early childhood neurodevelopment, synaptic pruning is essential. It allows the brain to adapt to its environment by sculpting neural connections based on experiences and activities. Without proper pruning, the brain may hold onto unnecessary connections, which can impact cognitive and social development. This means that early experiences, stimulation, and learning opportunities are vital. They help shape which synapses are strengthened and which are pruned away, influencing brain development during these critical periods. Providing a rich and supportive environment in early childhood is key. It supports healthy brain maturation through this pruning process. So, the next time you think about brain development, remember that synaptic pruning is a natural and necessary part of how our brains grow and adapt.